What's up, guys? Welcome to LEGO Marvel Super Heroes 2, the second episode. But I did do some levels by myself because I also really wanted guys to like play by myself. So yeah. Hi, Dad. So yeah, I wanted to play by myself and get the idea of this game. So yeah, I just really wanted to do that. So I'm just starting off this level. None. Oh, what's in here? Black Panther. Black Panther. Black Panther, bro. Whoa. That's sick. That's so sick. That's sick. That is actually so sick. Okay, good job, good job. Oh my god, he talks so strange. Like wonky donkey.
Hey, you need to get across now. Just watch your step. It's a long way down. You have time to read a book before you hit the bottom.
You have time to read a book before you hit the bottom. I'm gonna do a backflip on this one. Oh, wait, no, what does a backflip look like as Black Panther? Wait, Black Panther can't do a backflip? That is not realistic then. He does a front flip. Look, so he does a front. Wait, no, he does a backwards flip when he's jumping towards you. That makes no sense. Dude, how are you always? Oh God! Thank God I was in Spider-Man. Oh my God! Okay. Slippery, dude. Whoa! What's this? Do I get the characters up? Aw, damn it! Oh, sorry. I said a curse. I said a curse. I'm super sorry. Let's do this. Wobbly, wobbly, wobbly. Make your way through the maze, and oh, I know this. Dun 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 dun. Oh. Oh, I see what you have to do. Let's go. Oh, jeez. Ah! Okay. What's up here? I need to get that extra coin. There's extra coins. I love how the money tilts too. That's funny. I don't mind if I do. Oh my God, it's so What the hell? Okay, let's go. No! No! Jesus. Jesus. Bye. Okay. Jesus. Oh, I just did such a hack. That's what I call hacking right there, little boy. Do, 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 do. What? Dang it. How do I get through? Nerd. How do you... Wait. It doesn't... Rollmate maze. Okay. So, what happens? Oh... This is so dumb. If I... Fuck him. Are you kidding me? Rotate me up. I got the rotate maze. Don't know how to do this. Ow. Ow. Wow, I'm such an idiot. I'm such an idiot. Okay. Let's get this over with. Na 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 na. Go, 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 go. Oh, you want to fight? Let's fight. Little boy. Bam. Little boy. Bam. Little boy. Bam. Bam. Little boy. Bam. Ah, sore. Damn it. Na 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 na. Ah, that's lava. That's the worst lava I've seen. Nope. Black Panther. Change to the Black Panther. There. Na 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 na. Push it. Push it. Push it. Are you kidding me? I can't even push this. Can I hit it this way? What? Push it. There you go. Okay, I don't know how to do this. This is literally impossible. Do 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 do. This can jump. Wheelie. I'm wheeling it. Wheelie. I'm doing a wheelie.